Hello everyone, welcome to another video. This is trains in the north of Scotland between April and June 2023. Play that intro. Straight on with the action at Inverness as 43125 and 43130 enter the fueling points. At Smithton, on the outskirts of Inverness, as 43151 leads 1H11, the 1007 Glasgow Queen Street to Inverness. Now, the real reason for coming here was to witness which was quite possibly the working of the year so far. When 37116 failed on a test train in the far north a few days before, 50050 was sent from Nottingham to Perth and then on to Inverness to collect the failed 37 and take it back south. Here we see 50050 working 0Z11, the 1010 Perth to Inverness. However, due to an inquisitive member of the public distracting me, I was not prepared for the return working and therefore didn't manage to catch it on video. However, I did manage a photo, which I will add in at the end of this film. And going in the opposite direction, 66108 heads south with 4D47, the 1340 Inverness to Moss End, Tesco. Just along the road at Culloden Woods we see 158720 pushing 17394 with 1H13 the 1033 Edinburgh to Inverness. Up in the far north now, on the North Sea coast and in the land of the Helmies, we see 158708 arriving at Helmsdale with the 1041 Inverness to Whip. Staying on the far north line at the stunning location of the Invershin Viaduct, we see 158706 crossing with 2H63, the 1041, Inverness to Wick. A bit further up the line now at Lerg, and we see 158718 departing with 2H56, the 802, Wick to Inverness, with a very friendly driver. On the outskirts of Brora now, and 158714 passes with 2H56, the 802, Wick to Inverness. Still on the outskirts of Brora, and 158720 passes with 2H63, the 1041, Inverness to Wick at some considerable speed. At Dalsham level crossing, just north of Brora, 158708 passes with 2H62, the 1234, Wick to Inverness.
I touched it.
Due to the failure of a train the day before and the need to get an extra train up north to provide the next day's service, we see this unusual formation of a 6-carriage Class 158 departing Bewley. 158722, 158710 and 158712 are working the 1754 Inverness to Dingwall, where the front 4 coaches will split and continue to Wick, with the rear 2 coaches continuing to Kyle of Lacalche. Oh, the calamities, how this always happens to me. 66743 passes Alness with the empty coaches of the Royal Scotsman between Dingwall and Invergordon. Sights and sounds of a Class 37 in the West Highlands. 37516 running round the Jacobite at Mallaig. Back on the far north line again at Alness and 158718 with 2H72, the 1551, Invergordon to Inverness. It's the man himself, Angry Bob, 37425, departing Muirvord, working 0Z25, the 1455 Inverness to Inverness via Tane, route learner. Working the same train, 37425, is seen crossing the Ness Viaduct at Inverness. You may want to turn your speakers up to full blast for this one. 37425 departs Dingwall in spectacular fashion. That brings us to the end of the video. Thanks for watching, stay tuned for the photos, and we'll see you on the next one.